You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Kakati twagala okulagira ne contractor. Let me speak this in English. Let me talk in English. Sanctions will be applied to any party that does not adhere to the requirements which I'm going to talk about. 1. No form of child labor. The children. You should not use children to work on this road. We don't want to have any issues such as the gender-based violence. We do not want exploitation, environmental degradation, or unsafe working practices will not be tolerated on this project.
Work ethics as Ugandans. We are good at stealing property. If they give you 10 bags of cement, you want to use 8 and the 2 find their way. Reporting on duty on time, we don't. Most of our youth want to report at 9, maybe even beyond 9. Now the Chinese man, for him, he wakes up at 6 a.m., puts on his hat and is on the side, and he will leave at the end of the day. But our youth don't. He wants to work from 9 to midday. He goes for lunch, stays there for 2 hours, but then when it comes to earning, he wants the full pay. When you pay him until the pocket is empty, he will not come back on job. And every other day, we are going to bury, we are going to funeral rites, we want to stay 2-3 days. These people, for them, they work on time. So we need to change our work ethics as Ugandans if we are going to meet the kind of conditions under which these people work. So stealing things is a very bad habit. And even as I'm on camera, I should also talk about this. For example, the flyover, the Kampala flyover, they have now vandalized all the cables for the lighting. They have vandalized all the iron which we put into the drainage.
Ensimbi kyekana ensukka amakati yagaddukanya gavumenti ziva muno. Oluguudo zino ezigenda okukolebwa ezirina ebyafaayo kubanga zaasuula gavumenti bbiri, eya Idi Amin n'ey'Obote. Naye abantu ababadde balaba nga balaba mmundu zokka ne bataddamu kweyagala, basaana beeyagalire ddala sikoma leero. Era nga kyetukusaba maama kuba ne bw'onoogoberera enguudo zino, it is simple logic. Ngudo national roads ezitutuusa ku airport gye tulina yokka, ezitutuusa ku ngudo ezigenda amawanga amalala, ezijja jaamu mu Kampala n'enzikutta. Ekyo kitegeeza ow'ekitiibwa nti ebintu bingi nnyo ebyetaaga okukolebwa mu Wakiso nga byanjawulo nga tebikolebwa okusinziira ku nkola ya districts endala.